Welcome guys. So today we are going to be talking about how to install the MongoDB Compass. So MongoDB Compass is actually a graphical user interface. It's like a UI for visualizing and manipulating MongoDB. So if you do not have MongoDB installed, then this Compass is not going to work. Okay, so first of all, we have to install the MongoDB. So to install MongoDB, we need to go to this page on MongoDB official website and copy this command right here. So this is what we are going to paste in our terminal. So I'm going to paste it right here and I'll wait a few minutes for this to install. Alright, so it seems like the MongoDB has successfully installed on our device. So to ensure that this is correctly installed, we can check the version of MongoDB that is currently running on our device. So to do that, I'm going to open up a new terminal and I'm going to type this command, mongo -- version. So this is going to show us the version of MongoDB that is running on our device. So I guess this is the perfect time for us to install the MongoDB Compass. So to do that, I already have this downloaded. So but if you don't have the file, you can go to the official website of Mongo and download it from their website. So since I have it downloaded on my device, I don't need to download it again. So let me go ahead and install it. So go to the app folder. Inside the download folder, I have it right here. So I'm going to double click it and also drag it to the application folder. Alright, now that I've installed the app, I need to launch it so I'll be able to connect to the MongoDB Compass. So this is gonna take a few seconds to come up, and yeah, okay. So this is the default URI of local MongoDB for connection. So if you're running MongoDB locally on your device, this is the default URI. You don't need to change this. So let's go ahead and click connect. All right, so it says connect e-refill. So this is gonna tell us that MongoDB is not yet running on our device even though it is installed. So to run the service, we need to go here. So it says we should run this command to activate MongoDB. So I'm going to paste this command right here. Alright, it says successfully started MongoDB community. So let's go back to our Compass and try to reconnect again. Oh, cool. So from the look of things, we are successfully connected to our MongoDB database, and we can also visualize data. So right here, I have these three collections, and I can create more databases right here. So this is basically how to install the MongoDB Compass on your MacBook. If you like this video, click like, share, and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.